Find the following. So we have f of negative 3, f of 0, and f of 2. All right, so we're looking at a function here, f of x, that's basically defined as a piecewise function. And what that means is that essentially it deals with segments of the number line, and for each segment of the number line, there's a different separate function that's related to that segment of the number line. So for example, if you have f of negative 3, that means we want to first determine what part of the number line we're dealing with. Well, negative 3 comes from the section that is less than 0. So we can see that that should be plugged into this first piece of the function because that's where you put values that are less than 0. All right, so if we plug that negative 3 into that piece of the function, we'll end up having negative 2 times blank, and in the blank we're going to go ahead and put in the negative 3. And so that'll end up being negative 2 times negative 3, or of course positive 6. So f of negative 3 here for this function is 6. All right, let's do the same thing for f of 0. Well, in that case, we're going to plug it into this piece of the function because that's what we use for x equals 0. All right, so it says simply to use the value 1. So when x is 0, f of 0, or f of x, is just 1. All right, and then our last example talks about finding f of 2. So f of 2, again, 2 comes from the portion of the number line that's greater than 0. So that would be the third piece of the function. And then we'll just put then 2 into that part of the function. So it'll be 2 times blank squared minus 1, and in the blank we'll put the 2, right? So we'll have 2 times 2 squared. Well, that'll be 2 times 4 minus 1, or in other words, 8 minus 1, or finally 7 as our answer. And that's it.